funfans, Summer here, and today I'm going to be using one of my Christmas presents to make some slime today. So for Christmas I got a slime kit, so in a minute we're going to do a close-up of it to tell you what it comes with. And then over here we've got a glue and activator, and then it also came with this, like on the Satisfying videos when they use it to make bubbles. But also the other end, there's a fine liner, and I only found it out earlier. And I've used this kit before to test it out, and it's super fun. You can make every single type of slime with it. So this is what the kit comes with. It comes with some sponges for jelly cube slime, 3 lots of those, and then it has in these little containers, it has some sprinkles, pretend ones obviously, some little letters, some rainbow balls, like bouncy balls, some pearls, some seashells, and then some glitter flakes, which are pink. And then here I have lots of different slices. So I have fruit slices, treat slices like cupcakes and stuff, flower slices, and butterfly slices. And I also have some slime cutters here. I have a star and it looks like a bear. And then some clays, some pigments and charms. And then under here I have lots and lots and lots of glitters. And I mean a lot. About 50 there. And then I also have some beads. Put my clay there. I've already used some of that clay, that's why it's like that. So let's get sliming! Let's add some glue. That's your first step. About that much. So it also comes with containers. That might be a bit too much. It's gonna drip. So, which type of slime am I gonna make? I don't know. I think I'm going to add some pigments. Let's add those. Which pigment? Let's add the blue. So it matches my spatula thing. A tiny bit of that, because it's very strong. Oops. That'll make it metallic slime. So let's mix it all together. What's in the air? It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's so metallic. Wow. That is definitely like an ocean. So let's do a quick close-up of how shiny it is. Hold it in the sunlight, then it's really, really, really shimmery. So pretty. Since it's like an ocean, I'm going to add some of these pearls. Like in the ocean, if you find clamshells, there's sometimes pearls in them. So let's add them in. I don't think I'm going to add any seashells though, because it might be a bit sharp. If that makes any sense. Like that much. That's not on properly. Mix it all together. Whoa, this is going to be so pretty once it's all activated. Okay, now let's activate it. I'm going to leave this over here. It's activating. Couldn't get up for this bit. It's working! Woo! wonder why it came with a pen at the end. Maybe it's to write on the container so you can name it, which is cool. Sounds so weird. I'm gonna go with a finger, so let's put this there. So fun fans, at the end of this video, we're going to be adding some stuff into these clear slimes that it came in. So we're going to do a few of those at the end. I don't know how much slimes we're going to make though. Probably like 2 or something. Okay, now I think I'm going to move this over here. And then also this. It's really sticky right now, but I'll go with my hand early so it doesn't overactivate. Look how pretty that is. Now I'm just gonna knead it. And also, it's really weird, but all the stuff it comes with, like all the add-ins, they don't fall out. So that's really cool. Makes cool noises. Oh, my arms hurt. You should need it because it's all stringy. I'm going to clean out the bowl a bit. There's also some pigment left. It makes really weird noises when you knead it. It's just like shh. I think I need some more activator. Because it's really sticky. Oh no. Some on the table. It's so pretty. Definitely reminds me of the ocean when I look at it. Comment down below from fans what I should name this. So this slime is done, so we're going to quickly swirl it and add the charm on. So I chose the turtle. So my mum is going to do a close-up of it, of the first slime. Comment down below what it should be called. I'm going to design 3 slimes. So I have a clear pink one, a clear orange and a clear turquoise. I'm going to start with the clear pink. So in this one, I think I might add some of these. Oh my gosh, it's in like a furry thing to keep it all special. Look at all the different colours there is. So pretty. Now let's add some into my pink slime. Okay. So nice. Hi fans. Now let's add some glitters. I don't want to clear it up really fast. Fog it up really fast. I think I'm gonna add. Some of them are like beads as well, so I'm going to add these. They might be hard to open. I don't want them to explode everywhere. I can't do it. Let's add the micro beads. Oh my gosh. They look like those things that frogs spawn. Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. Oh, it's so nice. The slime's like really weird feeling because it's clear. I've never made a clear one, so this is really cool. Oh. Now I think I'm ready to do my next slime. Okay. These are so pretty. I've said it like a million times. Now I'm going to do the orange one. And in this one, oh, see it like down the side. So cool. Well, I can't take this one out. This one's more stretchy, I think. Kind of weird. Definitely like the slimes that this comes with. And it came with 12. This one like reminds me of oranges and mango tropical fruit things. And this one, I don't know if I'm going to add any of these or some of these. I think some of these. Let's add the black and white flowers and then also the yellow flowers. So flowers in this one because it's like tropical. Let's add the yellow flowers and add all of them. So cool. And I'm also going to add some more. So I'm going to add these ones. So nice. There's still one left. Get out. There we go. Let's mix them in. Woo! Time to decorate this one. And this one I want to add some of these. So, what shall I pick? I think it's so hard. There's so many. I think this white glitter, and then also the white micro beads. I really like those. I decided to only use one, and I chose the white glitter because they both look pretty similar anyway. So let's add them. This is going to look so nice. Wow. I'm just going to add the rest. But it doesn't look like it's a lot in there, but it actually is. I think it looks like icing sugar with the glitter in, but my mum said it looks like the galaxy, which is pretty cool. Comment down below, funfans, which is your favourite out of the 3 clear ones I did. Either this blue one, this pink one with the micro beads, which is my favourite clear one, and then this orange one with the flowers. Comment down below, and also names for them. Now let's do some ASMR with the one that I made. Now let's do the ASMR. First I'm going to do a bubble, so let's get it all ready. Whoa! That was really cool. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. Okay. I have to do it as slowly as possible. Oh, there's already holes. It's a bit overactivated, that's why. See if it... I'll try it again. No, actually I want to use this. So let's press it in. Here we go. Cool, let's do it again. It's so satisfying. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but like, yeah, that's my way. Here we go. Oh my God. slime kit which I used today for all my amazing slimes, and it did come with these. So I got it for Christmas and it's from Amazon. That's where my mum got it. If you want to go and get it, then yeah, Amazon. So fun. So fun fans, comment down below which was your favourite slime today, and please can you name this one, because I have no idea. It's ocean themed, by the way. Wow. So please can you like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below your favourite slime. A lot of things, comment down below. Anyway, bye!